Hi, I'm Colin from Flying Colours Maths, and this is a short introduction to long multiplication involving decimals, which, when you translate it into normal person speak, means we're going to answer the question, what is 17 times 0.14? The first thing we do is write the bigger number, 17, somewhere near the top, giving ourselves plenty of space to work below it. After the number, we draw a solid line down the way. I've done it in red, but you should probably just draw a nice thick line. The important thing is it goes after the number 17. On the next line, we write the decimal number, 0.14. Have a look at where we've placed it. The decimal point, the dot, goes on the thick red line. If you're using squared paper, you don't really need to do this bit, but not all of us do. To make it clear, we draw lines straight down between each of the numbers, because mixing up the columns is probably the #1 mistake people make with this kind of sum. Now we get on to the actual sum. We're going to multiply 17 by each of the digits in 0.14 and place them in the right place in the grid. We start with 0 times 17, which is 0. We want the end of the number to line up with the thick red line, and we draw a little green zigzag over it. Next up is 1 times 17, which is 17. This time the answer has to finish one column to the right, and again we draw a little green zigzag over the top of it. Our last multiplication is 4 times 17, which is 68, and again it ends up one column further to the right with a little green zigzag over the top of it. You can see that you end up with a nice little staircase over the ends of the numbers. All we have to do now is add up the numbers we found, carrying as normal. Here we get 2, 3, 8. But of course there's a decimal point to add in. We have to put the dot where the solid red line is to get the correct answer. 17 times 0.14 equals 2.38.
I hope that's helped. If it has, please consider giving a small donation to the DEC Haiti appeal at justgiving.co.uk/flyingcolorsmaths. Anything you can spare will help provide food and shelter to the victims of the earthquake, and some will go towards rebuilding the thousands of schools affected by it. I'm Colin from Flying Colours Maths. Thank you for watching.